Eczema foods to avoid. Foods to avoid when having eczema are foods that flare up the eczema symptoms. They are foods containing all or one of the following compound: Monosodium glutamate, Salicylates, Amines or Sulphites. In this video we are going to discuss what these compounds are, how they flare up eczema and what foods contain them. And likewise we are going to list out foods that can suppress the eczema symptoms. Therefore stick to the video to the end. Foods to avoid when you have eczema are not eczema friendly. They contain one or all of the worst known eczema triggers or skin irritating compounds. These compounds are salicylates, amines and monosodium glutamates. Let me start with salicylates. Salicylates are organic compounds found in plants. They have bacteriostatic, fungicidal and keratolytic or skin peeling properties. They are generally analgesic or pain-relieving, anti-inflammatory, and antipyretic, temperature-lowering, effects. Their major risk is they can cause gastrointestinal irritations and can be toxic when consumed in large quantities, especially in eczema patients. The next types of food to avoid when you have eczema is foods containing amines. Amines is one of the powerful known skin irritant. Amines are naturally occurring and found in both plants and animals. They include organic compounds like alkaloids, dopamine, epinephrine, and norepinephrine and histamines. Foods containing this compound should be avoided. The next types of food to avoid when you have eczema are foods containing sodium glutamates. Sodium glutamates are organic naturally occurring non-essential amino acids. They are also used in industry as flavors enhancers. They are food sweeteners and contain no effects ordinarily, but are one of the strong triggers among eczema patients. Foods containing these compounds should be avoided if you have eczema. Foods rich in salicylates, amines and monosodium glutamates. Probably, these are foods you should avoid, because these compounds are powerful skin irritants. They can cause skin irritations and flare up your eczema. They are foods like acidic fruits. Acidic fruits contain two of the above compounds, amine and salicylate. Example of acidic fruits are oranges, grapes, berries, kiwis, dried fruits, pineapples, ripe apple and banana. Avoid such fruits. You can use other alternative fruits like peeled pears and apples, or barely ripe bananas. Egg. Egg is one of the most powerful skin irritant among eczema patient. Almost all eczema patient have positive allergy test to egg. Milk and yogurt. Not only milk and yogurt, other dairy product like cheese and butter and cow's milk are known causes of eczema. Avoid them if you have eczema. Vegetables. Vegetables are known to contain salicylates, amines and monosodium glutamates. Vegetables like lettuce, green beans, cabbage, celery, etc. Other foods to avoid if you have eczema are fats and oils. They contain amino acids. The next foods to avoid when you have eczema is foods containing sulphites. They are preservatives in our foods and drinks. Sulfur 4 oxide is an irritant. Therefore when drinking liquid like beer or wine containing these compound, eczema symptoms may pop up. While some people show positive allergy test to sulfite may not. Therefore avoid foods or drinks containing sulfites to be on the safer sides. What kind of foods should you eat when you have eczema? Here are the list of foods to eat when you have eczema. They are foods containing anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin compounds or are probiotics. Anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish containing omega-3. Cherries, broccoli and spinach containing quercetin compound and probiotic foods to boost the immune system and help reduce eczema flare-ups. Foods triggers to avoid contain salicylates, amines and sodium glutamates. Avoid them, and eat anti-inflammatory foods or probiotics to fight eczema.